Ideal use. Privacy function is perfect for use on bedroom and bathroom doors where locking may be desired. Push button automatically unlocks from the inside when the door handle is rotated or from the outside in an emergency with the included PIN key. Easy installation. Self-aligning screw holes make installation hassle-free. Everything included to upgrade existing interior single-bore hole doors yourself in minutes with only a screwdriver. Fits both right and left-handed doors. Certified highest durability. Premium metal construction and quality craftsmanship for everyday strength and peace of mind. Grade 2, AAA certified BHMA rating for security, durability and finish. Hassle-free fit. Universal latch slides easily into place without tools to fit standard doors with 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 backset. Fits door thickness 1 3/8 to 1 3/4. Includes both radius and drive-in faceplate for flexibility. Trusted warranty. Schlage locks are backed by a limited lifetime mechanical and finish warranty, and a 3-year electronics warranty. See Schlage warranty for full details. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly as described. I purchased this for my bathroom door because the one I had was gross, ugly and outdated. This was one of my best purchases for my new home. It's got the perfect oil-rubbed bronze look I was going for. The color I would say is more matte versus shiny, which is also something I love. It functions just as one would hope. I will definitely be using these throughout my home as I go through my refreshing of each room.